In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add time to a task on Zoho Projects. This is really useful if you want to keep accurate records of how long work actually takes, whether that's for billing, reporting, or just keeping your projects on track. I'll walk you through the most direct way to log time, step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, start by opening the specific task where you want to add time. Make sure you're in the task's detail view, not just looking at the general task list. You can usually get there by clicking on the task name from your project board or task list. Once you're in the detail view, you should see all the information related to that task, like its description, status, and any comments or attachments. At the top of this task detail view, look for the tab labeled Log Time. This is where all time entries associated with this task will live. Go ahead and click on Log Time. If you don't see it right away, check if your window is zoomed in too far or look for a More menu where it might be grouped. Once you're on the Log Time tab, you'll see an option to add a new entry. Click the button that says Add Log. This opens up a form where you'll record how much time you spent on the task. Here, you have two main options. You can manually enter the hours you worked, which is great if you're logging time after you've finished. For example, you might type in that you spent 1.5 hours. Be as accurate as you can, especially if this affects billing or internal time reports. Alternatively, you can choose the timer option. This starts a live clock that runs while you're working on the task. This is handy if you prefer real-time tracking instead of estimating later. Just remember that if you use the timer, you'll want to stop it when you're done so the logged time stays accurate. Once you've either entered your hours or used the timer, review the details to make sure everything looks correct. When you're happy with it, click the Add button to save your log. Your time entry is now recorded under that task, and it will contribute to your overall project time tracking and reports. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly and reliably add time to any task in Zoho Projects.